Hi, it's Chris. I hope you are all well today because in this video you are meeting Unior's chainring and spider drilling wrench. Let's dig into it. Unior's chainring drilling fork is made from hardened and tempered special tool steel. It features a ergonomic plastic handle for comfort. The shaft's length has been adapted to provide sufficient but safe leverage to work on rings and crankset spiders. The tool features two slots, the smallest one to work on rings, the widest one to work on crankset spiders. All good. So I don't have much more to say, but that this is a very effective chainring and spider drilling wrench. All good. I hope this video was useful. I'll see you next time.